Hello, welcome to Good Neighbor. Today we're showing the Swiss Army pocket knife from Victorinox. I purchased this pocket knife back in 1995 when I traveled to Switzerland. And that just shows you how durable these things are. The first tool we have here is the can opener, and the tip can be used as a flathead screwdriver. The next tool we have here is the large blade, which measures about 2.5 inches. This blade is very sharp. If you do get this pocket knife, make sure you have this blade retracted if you are trying to pop open the other tools. And the next tool we have here is the bottle cap opener, and the tip is the larger flathead screwdriver. The last tool on this pocket knife is the punch tool. This pocket knife, in my opinion, is great for camping and hiking trips. It would make a great gift for birthdays, graduations, or winter holidays. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Good Neighbor.